Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Fiverr earnings to PayPal in the USA step by step clearly. To withdraw your Fiverr earnings to PayPal in the USA, first, log into your Fiverr account. Navigate to your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Billing tab on the left side. Scroll down to the Earned Funds section. Click on the Withdraw button. Choose PayPal as your withdrawal method. If this is your first time withdrawing to PayPal, you will need to link your PayPal account. Follow the prompts to enter your PayPal email address. Once your PayPal account is linked, confirm the connection. After linking, you will return to the withdrawal screen. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Fiverr earnings. Review the transaction details for accuracy. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the transfer. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been submitted. Depending on PayPal processing times, your funds should appear in your account shortly. Make sure to check your PayPal account for the completed transaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.